Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by making sure the app is current and you're signed into the right account. This prevents unexpected UI differences. Once updated, open your profile and tap the three-line menu to access settings. Make sure you back up any visual assets or highlight covers you want to keep, because changing a theme can alter colors and layouts. Now, go to the area that controls appearance. This is often labeled Theme, Display, or Chat Settings, so you can begin the removal process immediately. Now you'll locate the theme control. In Settings, look under Theme, Appearance, or Chat Settings depending on your app version. Tap that entry, then choose Default, Light, or Remove Theme. Some versions show Remove or Reset to Default. You'll see a preview. Make sure to review it so colors and fonts return to standard Instagram styling. Once you select Reset or Remove, confirm the action. If you have multiple profiles, repeat for each one, because themes apply per account and won't sync automatically. Finish by verifying the change across feed, stories, and chats. If remnants remain, clear the app cache or force close and reopen Instagram. If the theme still shows, log out and back in, and as a last resort, reinstall the app. This often clears stubborn UI states. Make sure your account type isn't enforcing a branded theme. Business or creator accounts sometimes have connected tools that reapply styles. If problems persist, check for a server-side rollout or wait a few hours before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.